tagumpay. At muli, ang aking pagbati ng maligayang pagtatapos sa mga aking kapwa kamag-aral. Naway, pagpatuloy natin ang aking nasimulan upang maabot natin ang mga pangarap natin. Salamat at magandang hapon po. Pwede po tayo mag-danso ng bonggang-bongga.
Thank you, Gabby. Our first honor, Charmaine Grace Zabala.
To my fellow students and teachers, a pleasant day to all of you. We are gathered today to celebrate and recognize all our efforts for the school year that passed. I am overjoyed because I know that we did well in our studies and were able to finish the school year with flying colors. To my parents, thank you for all your support, and I dedicate my success to you. To my teachers, thank you for sharing your knowledge to us. We know that in due time you will see the fruit of your dedication in us. To my fellow students, let us be diligent in studying because we will be the one to build our future. Most of all, I would like to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ for being with me all throughout this year. To God be the glory.
Thank you, Charm. As we go on,